There are two simple ways to add a zipper to a tote bag. Let me show you both. We'll start right here. This part of the tote bag is where all the zipper work begins. For the width of this piece, you can make it a few centimeters shorter than the width of the bag base. You can get the length of this piece by subtracting the width of the side panels from the tote bag pattern. On each piece, only crease and edge paint the edge that will be attached to the zipper. This heated crease is purely decorative. It doesn't affect the construction, but it gives the edge a cleaner and more finished look. For a more professional looking tote bag, I recommend using a metal zipper, and for this you'll need a size 5 zipper. There's a difference between the zipper pulls used for metal and plastic zippers. If you look at the sides of the zipper pulls, you'll notice that the one with the side divided into two equal parts is designed for metal zippers. And this little part is where we'll add a leather to the zipper pull. I'll show you a simple way to make it at the end. Make sure the zipper is about 8 centimeters longer than the leather piece we cut for it. At the beginning of the zipper, we need to add a zipper stopper. So remove the teeth from the first 2 centimeters of the zipper. To keep the zipper pull from coming off, we use ready-made zipper stops for metal zippers. But for plastic zippers, we'll make a leather zipper stop, which I'll show you how to make later. Okay, now fold the fabric at the end of the zipper like this. Make sure you get a nice clean fold. Now the zipper is ready and we can attach our leather pieces once the edge paint has fully dried. When attaching the zipper, make sure the leather pieces on both sides are evenly spaced from the zipper. Use the guidelines on the zipper tape to help you line everything up. Now it's time to attach the bottom layer. When applying the glue, be careful not to get any on the exposed part of the zipper. First, line up the edges of the leather pieces and press them together firmly. Then, secure them in place over the zipper. Remove the zipper teeth from the last 2 centimeters as well. Okay, the zipper section is all done. Open and close the zipper a few times to make sure everything is working properly. Now let's learn how to make the zipper facing. Based on the measurements of our tote bag, we'll need 2 pieces, each measuring 24 by 3 centimeters. Skive both edges of these pieces so they can be folded easily. The facing gives the tote bag's opening more structure and helps create a clean, finished look around the zipper. The width of this piece determines how much of the zipper sits inside the bag, so you can make it wider if you prefer. After stitching one side, test it inside the bag. The facing might be slightly wider than the edge of the bag. Make sure the facing seam lines up with the bag seam, and if the facing is too long, don't trim all the excess from just one side. Now that everything is fixed in place, mark the center of the facing and the center of the zipper. This will help keep both sides of the zipper perfectly aligned when you attach them to the facing. This part will be sewn together with the lining, which I'll show you how to do in the next video. Alright, everything is ready. With this zipper style, it's best to add a bag style lining and then sew the top edge of the bag. I'm leaving the edge open for now, so we can attach the lining together after we learn how to make it in the next video. This is the part where the lining will be attached. Now you can also make the tote bag without a facing. For this version, I'm using a plastic zipper to show you a different option. This topper is designed for plastic zippers. It's better to skive it, and you'll need 2 of them. Okay, this is ready, so we can easily align its edge with the edge of the tote bag, glue it in place, and then stitch it. If you want to learn how to add the bag style lining, check out the next video.